How have Smash Bros. Character movesets evolved? The evolution of character movesets in the Super Smash Bros. Series is a fascinating journey that reflects both technological advancements and player feedback. From the very first installment released in 1999 on the Nintendo 64, the game introduced a unique blend of fighting mechanics and platforming elements. Each character came with a set of moves that were not only inspired by their original games, but also designed to fit the fast-paced nature of the Super Smash Bros. Gameplay. As the series progressed, developers began to refine and expand these movesets significantly. In Super Smash Bros. Melee, released in 2001 for the Nintendo GameCube, characters received more complex and varied moves. This installment introduced mechanics such as wavedashing and L-canceling, which allowed players to perform advanced techniques, thereby enhancing the competitive scene. Characters like Fox and Marth became known for their high-speed playstyles and intricate movesets, which further encouraged players to explore the depth of each character. With the releases of Super Smash Bros. Brawl in 2008 for the Nintendo Wii, the movesets evolved again. This game introduced new mechanics such as final smash attacks, which provided each character with a powerful finishing move. The addition of new characters and the reimagining of existing ones allowed for more diverse playstyles. For instance, characters like Snake brought unique mechanics from their original games, such as explosives and stealth elements, which added new layers to gameplay. Super Smash Bros. For Nintendo 3DS and Wii U, released in 2014, continued this trend by introducing custom movesets. Players could now modify certain moves for each character, allowing for personalized strategies and playstyles. This customization feature was a significant step in making the game more accessible and enjoyable for a wider audience. The latest installment, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, released in 2018 for the Nintendo Switch, brought back every character from previous games, along with new fighters. This game further refined movesets by balancing characters and introducing new mechanics, such as the ability to perform directional air dodges. The developers also focused on ensuring that each character felt unique while maintaining competitive integrity. Overall, the evolution of character movesets in the Super Smash Bros. Series showcases a commitment to innovation and player engagement. Each installment has built upon the last, creating a rich tapestry of gameplay that continues to captivate fans around the world.